Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making this tennis ball. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So we're just going to delete this one. We're going to add in a UV sphere. We're going to shade smooth and we're going to add in a subdivision. Okay, so I'm going to go into edit mode. Deselect all. And then do B for box. Oh, we want to go into wireframe mode and then B to box select. So that should select the whole half, one half there. What we want to do now is press P and go selection. Okay, and then just select this half, rotate on the X 90. Now we want to select both of these and we want to Control J to join, edit, select all, M by distance. So they're now all joined together. So let's go into edge select and then we're going to select this one so it goes all the way round like so, and then we're going to do a Control B for a bevel. Next what we want to do is E and S, so extrude and scale and dip it in slightly like that. While we've got that, we need to create a it's here, vertex groups. So we're just going to click on the plus and assign. So hopefully when we deselect and select, so we got that selected. Right, now what we need to do is head on over to the render. Oh no, I'll tell you what we need to do. Let's add a little bit of color first. So in here we're just going to add in the white, so the white strip, and then we're going to click on plus for a new one for like the yellowy greeny color the ball is, and then we're going to do Control I to invert and then assign. Okay, move this material up to number 1, up to the top slot, because we want the hair to be that color. You can assign it differently later. So let's go into the render viewport because I want to see how this is gonna pan out as we go along. So let's click on the particle tab, click on the plus. We want to do hair and advanced. We want to do say 30,000. We want to do the length to 0.005. Okay, next we want to select Brownian, so again 0.005. Then we want to go down to children and select interpolated, and then go to roughness and random to 0.005. As you can see here, we've got all the fur around the strip, the white strip. So what we need to do is go down to density, click on group, and as you can see it's just on the white strip, so just click on this double headed arrow and it will invert it. Now if your material's around the wrong way, or if your material here is white, you can just go up to the render and change your material. Okay, so it'll either be like that, just change it to your green material, and then you can mess around with the, maybe we should have 40,000. Oh, that looks better. And there it is. There's our tennis ball. you could just create a mesh plane, scale it up. I'm going to edit, subdivide by 40. I use Polygonique, so we can add some grass on there, spawn asset. Where are we? Scatter assets. So we want, what I'm going to do is just put some, oh, they used to have all this nicely cut grass, but they for some reason removed it. A bit weird. It's probably going to kill the machine, but there we go. The grass is looking a bit sparse, but my machine's just like slowed down, so I'm not going to do any more than that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like if you did, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Ta-da.